Becoming a better person is something many people want. It is a simple idea. It means you want to grow. You want to live in a good way. You want to feel happy with yourself. You want to make other people feel good too. This dream is not big. It is not scary. You can start today. You can start with very small things. To become a better person, the first step is to look at yourself. You can ask, who am I today? You can ask, what do I do every day? These questions are simple, but they help you think. Some people do not want to think like this. They feel afraid. They do not want to see their mistakes. But to change, you need to see yourself clearly. You can look at your good points. Maybe you are kind. Maybe you smile at people. Maybe you help your family. These things are very good. They show you already have something strong inside you. You can also look at your bad points. Maybe you get angry fast. Maybe you say rude words. Maybe you do not listen when someone talks. Everyone has bad points. It is normal. But when you see them, you can change them slowly. Kindness is a big part of becoming a better person. Kindness is simple. It means you care. It means you do something small to make someone happy. You can say, good morning. You can open a door for someone. You can help a friend carry a bag. You can give a smile. These actions are small, but they make the world softer. When you are kind, you feel better too. Your heart feels warm. You feel lighter. Kindness is also something you need to give to yourself. Many people say hard words to themselves. They say, I am not good enough. They say, I always fail. These words hurt. They make your heart tired. But you can change your words. You can say, I can try. You can say, I can learn. You can say, I will do better next time. When you are kind to yourself, you feel stronger. Another step to becoming a better person is saying sorry. This word is very small, but it has big power. When you make a mistake, you can say, I am sorry. This shows respect. It shows you understand. It shows you want peace. Many people cannot say sorry because they feel weak. But saying sorry does not make you weak. It makes you brave. It shows your heart is open. Forgiving is also important. Forgiving means you let go of the bad feeling in your heart. When someone hurts you, you feel angry. You feel sad. These feelings stay in your heart for a long time. They make you heavy. But when you forgive, you let the heavy feeling go. It does not mean what the person did is okay. It only means you want peace inside you. Forgiving makes your heart calm. To become a better person, you also need to listen. Listening sounds simple, but many people do not do it. When someone talks, they do not really care. They think about their own problems. They wait to speak. But real listening is different. Real listening means you stop talking. You look at the person. You hear their words. You try to understand their feelings. When you listen, people feel safe. They feel important. They feel seen. This makes your relationship better. Another important idea is patience. Patience means you can stay calm. It means you do not rush. It means you wait without anger. Becoming a better person takes time. You cannot change in one day. Some days you do well. Some days you do not. Some days you feel strong. Some days you feel tired. This is normal. When you have patience, you do not give up. You say, I will try again tomorrow. Good habits are something you can build. A habit is something you do again and again. You can make good habits step by step. You can say thank you every day. You can clean your room a little each night. You can drink more water. You can walk for 10 minutes. You can read a small page of a book. These habits are small, but they help you grow. They make you better slowly. Sometimes, becoming a better person means saying no. Many people think a good person always says yes. But this is not true. When you always say yes, you get tired. You feel stress. You feel angry inside. You feel you have no space for yourself. Saying no is not bad. You can say, no, I need rest. You can say, no, I cannot help today. This shows you respect your own limits. A better person cares for others, but also cares for themselves. Being honest is also a big part of change. Honest means you tell the truth. You tell the truth to other people, but also to yourself. You say what you really mean. You say what you really feel. This helps you live a clean life. When you are honest, people trust you. They feel safe with you. They know your words are real. Taking care of your body is also part of becoming better. You can sleep enough. You can eat simple, healthy food. You can move your body every day. When your body feels good, your mind feels good. When your body feels tired, your mind feels heavy. Good care gives you energy to grow. Taking care of your mind is important too. You can rest. You can sit quietly for a few minutes. You can breathe slowly. You can think about your day. You can write your thoughts. These small actions help you understand yourself more. When you understand your feelings, you can choose better actions. Another step is learning. Learning does not mean only school. It means learning from life. You can learn from a problem. You can learn from a mistake. You can learn from a friend. You can learn from a book. Every day gives you something new. When you learn, you grow. You become more open, more calm, more wise. A better person also gives respect. Respect means you see the value in other people. You do not look down on them. You do not talk in a rude way. You say kind words. You wait your turn. You understand that every person has feelings. Every person wants love. Every person wants peace. When you give respect, you make your world softer. Becoming a better person is not about being perfect. No one is perfect. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone feels sad sometimes. Everyone has weak points. But a better person tries. A better person grows a little every day. A better person learns from the past and moves forward. You can start now with one small step. You can smile. You can say thank you. You can breathe when you feel angry. You can say sorry. You can forgive. You can listen. You can rest. You can speak kindly to yourself. These steps are small, but they are strong. When you repeat them, your life slowly changes. And when your life changes, you change too. You feel lighter. You feel more calm. You feel more open. Other people feel your good energy. They feel your warm heart. They feel safe with you. Step by step, You become a better person, not perfect, not special, just better, softer, kinder, and more human.